In this video, I will show you how to fix black bars on stretched resolution with NVIDIA. So first, open the NVIDIA control panel by right-clicking your desktop and going to the NVIDIA control panel. Then click on Display and then adjust the desktop size and position. Next, go to select your monitor, so make sure the correct monitor is selected at the top. Next, go to set the scaling mode. So under scaling, select full screen and check override the scaling mode set by games and programs and then apply the changes. Next, set the resolution in your game. So open up your game, go to video or graphics settings and then resolution and choose your stretched resolution. So set the display mode to full screen because borders or windowed modes can cause black bars. And then finally and optionally check your monitor settings. Some monitors have an on-screen menu for scaling or aspect ratio. Make sure it's set to full or stretch, not maintain aspect ratio or 1:1 pixel mapping. So now you know how to fix black bars on stretched resolution with NVIDIA. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.